Hello, this is the demo of Decode menu system for hotel reservation, food POS, and integrated QR code menu. So once your account is created, you will just go to this link, use your credentials, and log in into the dashboard. After logging in, you will see a comprehensive dashboard in front of you. Admin user will be able to see all the features and controls. You can also access this from your mobile device. I will show the mobile device view. You can create new rooms and deactivate existing rooms using this option. To view the existing rooms and their status, you can go to this option. Color differentiation will help you to identify the room status. Whenever a reservation will be made, its color will be changed into yellow. You can also see the upcoming booking details on the same tab, and by clicking on this, the details will be expanded. Red color means the customer is checked out, but room is not cleaned yet. Green color means the customer has ordered the food from POS system and needs to be served. And gray color means all of these rooms are free. There are a couple of more color options which can be explained during the training sessions. You can also view this system from your mobile devices, which will look like this. Whenever you would like to reserve the room, you just have to click on a particular room number. A pop-up will be shown to enter the customer details, for example, name, email, mobile number, and further notes. Once you have entered the details, the table color will be changed into yellow from gray, and the details will be shown on the same cell itself. As explained earlier, it will show the room has been booked, and the details of further upcoming bookings will be shown on the same cell. This system is also integrated with restaurant POS. So this is starting of the day, so you can enter your opening balance. And when you would like to place the order for any room, for example, room number 10, just click on the room, enter the menu items, and place the order. Your waiters or servers will enter their PIN code while placing their orders. So you can see the table number 10 color is changed into red from gray once the order is placed. They can take kitchen bill from here or complete bill from clicking on this option. They will process the order. Once the order is processed, the table color will be changed into yellow to show to the restaurant that this order is being processed for room number 10. Once bill is required, waiters can close the order and take the bill. To receive the cash, they will be clicking on the cash button, enter the amount and pay, and from here they can print the bill. PS system has all the essential features. If your hotel or restaurant also do takeaway and delivery, you can receive those orders directly into the PS system without any commission. So this will work as a food POS as well for your restaurant and also to serve the customers which are staying inside your rooms. At the end of the day, you can close the POS. POS system also has all the essential features, for example, inventory management, supplier, purchase management, wastage reports, sales reports, which you can export in the Excel or PDF files. You can also control your restaurant or hotel menu by going to this option. You can add new menu items, activate or deactivate existing menu items, or edit existing menu items. You can add new pictures. You can change prices or offer discounts. You can define different sizes. You will be also having a QR code for your hotel menu, which you can place inside your rooms. Your customers can scan this QR code, see the menu, and if you activate the ordering, they can also place the orders, which will be directly punched into the POS system. They can also access this link to see your menu online. This will be the desktop view, and this will be the mobile view. The menu itself has a lot of features. Your customers can add the items into the cart and they can see their total bill prior making their orders. If you don't activate ordering, this button will be not shown. They can also navigate between different categories. At the end of the order or at the end of the stay, they can also submit their feedback. This data will be stored in your dashboard and you can utilize this data for your marketing promotions to remarket your customers. You can view customer data by clicking on this button. Your customers can also see your restaurant contact details by clicking on this button. They can call to your restaurant, send you an email, and even go to your directions. This option is integrated with Google Maps. They can also check your Wi-Fi password. You can also grab them on the social media pages by entering the links here. You can also grab them on your social media pages by entering the social media links here, which will generate more traffic for your social media pages. There are a couple of options in your dashboard. You can create different branches or different floors using this option. You can create managers, waiters, reception or reservation department along with their pin codes using this option. The waiters will not be able to see all of these options. They will only be able to serve the orders. The reservation department will only be able to reserve the rooms. The security will be only able to see the customer details. For the POS system, there are a couple of more settings which you may be interested in. For example, currency denomination is there. Using this option, you can define different taxes, for example, GST, service fee, and etc. You can also create loyalty coupons or discount coupons for your customers. Using this option, you can update your menu instantly. Using these options, you can create rooms or QR codes. Using this option, you can manage your restaurant orders from the dashboard. Anyways, you can mention the orders from the POS system itself by clicking on this button. So Decode Menu is all-in-one solution for the restaurants and the hotels. The good thing about this system that it is integrated with each and everything. So it will act like as a restaurant reservation system and the food POS as well as QR code menu. Along with that, it will also help your restaurant for the marketing. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.